Hi, wonderful humans. Today you're going to be responding to other people's Flipgrid videos, and so I want to give you a quick overview of how to do that as well as where the expectations are for you. So if you go into Google Classroom, you can use the exact same document that you were using yesterday in order to post your own Flipgrid. You'll notice that there's your Flipgrid code that you should have used yesterday to post your own, as well as these directions. Once I click on these directions, it's not only going to show me the directions of I should have summarized and given my opinion about the article that I read in 30 seconds to 90 seconds, but it will also have step 2, which is responding to classmates' videos, which is your attendance piece for tomorrow. Okay, so this is something you are working on for today, and then how I will be taking your attendance tomorrow. You're going to respond to at least 2 other classmates' videos. When you respond, I really want to see or hear that you have actually watched their video and that you were responding to something they specifically said in their video. So for instance, I might go to First Hour and click on Olivia's video. When I'm done watching Olivia's video, which was about how the NFL and Colin Kaepernick did not see eye to eye on kneeling during the national anthem, I am going to reply to her video. Once I click on the reply button, it's going to then show your screen and you're going to record a video. So you're going to click on the record button at the bottom. You can add sticky notes, you can add filters. Please make sure you keep it semi-professional. When you're all done recording, you're going to save it under Olivia's video. And then I will be able to see that you've responded to your classmates. Again, you're going to do this 2 times. And I would highly encourage you to use one of the stems that I've given below. So for instance, I might use this first one that says, I think that Olivia made an important point by saying these people in the NFL were not doing this to be disrespectful, but were rather trying to get their point across about African American rights and police brutality that was occurring over the last few years especially. I think it's important that people are aware of this situation, and this may not have been the way that everyone agreed to make other people aware, but that some awareness has now happened. So then when I'm all done, again, I'm going to post that video. You can use these sentence stems if you would like, and you're going to respond to 2 other classmates in your hour. If you want to go and reply to a classmate in a different hour, go for it. But you need to reply to at least 2 classmates in your hour. Bonus points if you find a classmate that has no responses yet and watched their video, so that we can make sure that almost every single person gets a video response from one of their classmates. Otherwise, that is it, and I hope you guys have a great day. See ya.